Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Peters. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I use rosemary and cloves for massive hair growth. I've been using rosemary and cloves on my hair for the past few years now. They've really helped me grow my hair. So if you want to know how I use cloves and rosemary on my hair, please stay tuned. Watch this video to the end because I'll also be showing you guys how I prepare the treatment. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, for today's recipe, I'll be using 1 spoon each. I'll be using 1 spoon of rosemary and 1 spoon of cloves. Then I'll go ahead and add 1.5 cup of water. I'll leave it to boil for 5 minutes. Then I'll leave it to cool, and then it's ready to be used. Hi guys, please watch carefully. Watch the way I am applying this treatment to my hair. While you're watching me, I would like to educate you guys on the benefits of rosemary. So rosemary stimulates hair growth, it improves the scalp health and also enhances hair texture. It may also help reduce hair fall. Rosemary may help improve blood circulation in the scalp, which can help deliver nutrients to the hair follicles, which promotes massive hair growth. If your hair has been falling off, please try this recipe because rosemary has antioxidant properties. It may help prevent free radical damages, which could contribute to hair loss. Rosemary also helps to reduce dandruff. Rosemary's antifungal properties may help reduce fungal growth that can contribute to dandruff. Rosemary and cloves may also help with split ends, alopecia, and damaged ends. For faster results, please use this recipe 4 times a week. Please do not use it every day. So guys, please watch this video to the end to know the product I used last that has also helped me grow my hair. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Bye guys. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video to the end. Bye. I love you all. Bye. And I'm trying to massage. Guys, please, when you're done applying the liquid to your hair, the treatment to your hair, please don't rinse it off, don't wash it. Leave it on your hair. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Bye guys.